Okay, it's 4:30. Wow, it's getting late. I gotta get this stuff in really quick here. I'm running out of daylight. I got one row planted. That was 52 cloves of John's garlic there. I got 52 German red here. Hopefully I gotta count them. And music on the bottom. And I figure I'll start with half rows. Maybe do a different variety on the end in case the soil on the top is better or something. I don't know. That's what I'm starting with. I gotta pop these all in now. Keep planting. That's what I'm doing. It is Tuesday, June 11th. Out here just checking out my garlic a little bit. It's so windy. I don't know why I choose to film on windy days. It's just horrible audio, but rained an inch last night, so fields are flooded. If these things weren't up on hills right now, they would just be dead. They would be all yellow and dead from the amount of water that rushes through here, but the hills save them. I got almost 2 rows heat in this year already. I did them about a week, 2 weeks ago. Had some leftover hay from last year and I threw it down. It's keeping most of the weeds down. A lot of the stronger stuff's poking through still, but it's so much easier to come in here and hand weed it when it's just a few things other than a mess down here where there's no hay. Like, this is not gonna be fun to weed out this section here. And yeah, most of my hay from last year survived pretty good over winter. Still a lot of it down. Kept a lot of the weeds down over from popping up in spring, so looking pretty good. Other than the water, garlic should come out pretty good this year. This stuff's already sending scapes. I didn't know it was time for scapes yet. Big stalks on it, should be big bulbs underneath. Should be really good garlic this year. Looking healthy. And so I think I got like 400 in here. Maybe 500 because I planted them 10-inch spacing instead of 12-inch spacing. But yeah, it's my garlic crop for the year. My 400 garlic. Looking healthy. Cruising along.